Joanne Krumberger from the Portland VA Hospital joining us today on the headlines. Thanks for joining us today, Joanne.
You're very welcome.
I know that you were hired for the Portland VA earlier this year, and you said one of your goals when we got to the fall was to get those waiting times for veterans, the appointments, down to almost nothing. There was an average wait time of about 56 days. How are we doing right now?
We're doing very well. We've had an incredible amount of effort over the summer. Right now we have 0 patients waiting. We've had our providers who worked weekends, administrative staff who worked overtime. We hired temporary doctors. And so today we're seeing all of the patients who are seeking care as new veterans. It'll take some time to get the average wait time to kind of track down. Right now the average wait time is about 46 days. That's down from 60 a month ago.
How does this compare to other VA hospitals around the nation?
Well, we continue to take a look at what other hospitals are doing. We've had incredible support in giving some additional resources, and all of our medical centers are making great progress in eliminating waste across the country, you know, the wait lists.
Yeah, we've gotten emails from veterans over the past few months and past years just really frustrated with the system. What do you tell a veteran who served the country when they are frustrated not being able to get in a timely fashion?
That's a very good question. We have a team of patient advocates who sit down with those veterans and talk about what can we do for them. What we know for sure is that any veteran who needs urgent care, they are seen. That is never a question. For some of the elective things that they're looking to get into the system, and we're here to provide that. And I think that the attention now in taking a look at providing better access is making sure that any veteran who is looking for care can get the care in the right time in the right place. The recent legislation that was passed just last week and signed into law is going to create additional resources for the VA system to be able to provide better, timely access for our veterans. We're here to serve them, and that's what we tell them. So we've called every single veteran waiting for our care at the Portland VA Medical Center. We've had conversations with them personally about what we can do. We've now gotten them all scheduled, and they're very, very pleased about that, and we'll continue that effort moving forward.
Joanne Krumberger with the Portland VA Medical Center, thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much, Mike.
And that is Beyond the Headlines for today.
And if you have questions for the VA, there is a town hall meeting at the Portland VA Medical Center this morning from 9:30 to 11 at the main campus auditorium. All veterans and their families are invited. Now, if you missed that one, you will have another chance a week later on September 30th. That one is from 6:30 to 8 p.m.